In this video, we are going to talk about Google's new update about AI generated content. Relax voice is not about traditional Google's algorithm update, but Google has its official say on AI generated content. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do click that red button. You are going to be amazed by the content we are uploading on digital marketing as well. So the thing is, Google has its official say on AI generated content, and there are many rumors around that AI generated content website may get impacted by the Google search result, or maybe with the rise of AI detection tools out there, there may be a chance that you may get plagiarized using AI generated content, and there you will get banned by Google. So Google has its say on AI generated content, and it has cleared every rumors out there. So don't worry if you are using AI generated content, because you are going to love this. Because the first thing you may be coming in your mind is AI generated content against Google search guidelines? The answer is definitely no, because Google has stated that AI or automation is long being used in the World Wide Web. Yes, so it is being used by various companies out there to create helpful content. So the thing is, Google will not ban anyone using AI content or AI generated content out there until and unless it is not created to manipulate search engine ranking. So what does that mean? That means if you are generating content to manipulate search engine ranking, like keyword stuffing, like semantic keyword stuffing, things like that may get banned on search engine, which is traditional, and you may have known by now. Now, second questions may be coming on your mind is, they have stated or emphasizes on two things in this particular blog. First thing is to create only helpful content, and however it is created, whether it is created by manually or AI generated content, it should be helpful to their users. If obviously Google only care about one thing, a users coming to their website like google.com searching for some query, and they should get their answer just going by there. And the second is, they have emphasizes on the new update which we have already discussed in the past about EEAT: expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. So they have got the extra E for the experience, as we have already covered in this video, so you should start watching that if you want to know about it. So they have only emphasized on two things. First is on helpful content, creating helpful content, and second is for EEAT, you must have expertise on it, you have experience on the topic you are actually writing it, and authoritativeness, obviously about the domain, and the trustworthiness, since you don't meant to manipulate content around your website. So that's about it. They have emphasized it on two parts, and they really don't care however you have created your blog. So that's about it. And there's also one more thing, that Google recently acquired Anthropic, which is also a AI model, for 400 million. So obviously there are big future plan out there. As Sundar Pichai already told that there will be a new chat GPT rival which is called Bard, which is in the making. So you should stay tuned for that. So here is the conclusion. Here is my final thoughts. Keep creating content using AI, but I suggest you to use a tool which has multiple AI model being used in the system, like jasper.com or getjess.com. So you should start subscribing to getjess.com, because they use 3 or 4 model combined to create a super unique content readily available for you, and it can bypass all the plagiarism out there or AI detection tool. So there is a rumor, and Google has its say, and that's all. So if you have learned something from this video, then click the like button. If you want to stay updated about Google's update, then you should subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.